You are born with a unique purpose, and your job, my friend, is to find what that purpose is. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process that I've gone through that has helped me, right? That has helped me to discover my life purpose. So let's just dive right into it. The first one is to read. Some of you might ask, Daddy, what? Yeah, read. Why? Because through reading, you access to a whole new process of thinking and people and different mindset, different way of looking at life. That's the power of reading. And then you discover other people's purpose in life and their process of finding that purpose. Say, if you were to read Steve Jobs and then you will, Steve Jobs' biography, you will soon realize that, hey, hang on a minute, this man, Steve Jobs, when he was young, he used to get really into gadgets, anything to do with electronic. He would stand in front of the shops, what I call it, the shop, and then looking at the gadgets. He's just really fascinated by the whole thing of anything electronic. And as a result of that, he created these amazing things that we use right now. iPhone, iPad. So what's yours? By you reading books and autobiography, you're like, okay, hang on a minute. And then now you reflect back, right? You reflect. And you're like, okay, what are the things that I'm really passionate about? The things that even if no one pays me for it, I'd be happy to just do it. Okay, so then you start to compare how all these great change makers find their purpose. So that's the first one. You gotta read. You know, the more that you access to more information, the more you give yourself the opportunities to truly discover that, the life purpose. That's how you find it. That's the first one. Read. And the second is to listen to what other people appreciate about you. This is a big one. Listen to what other people appreciate about you. Now, for me personally, people always appreciate my energy. They always comment about, oh, Daddy, you're always happy, you're always positive, what's going on? Okay, so, and I look at that and then I reflect on that. I was, okay, I am always happy. What does that mean? And then I deconstruct. Maybe my life purpose is to bring happiness into the world. I don't know. So then I experiment with it. Positive mindset, what does that mean? What do they mean by that positive mindset? So when you start to listen to what other people are saying about you, because that's the direct feedback. If people say, hey, you are a good writer, you express yourself really good, hey, you're a good public speaker, and maybe time for you to really reflect on that, deconstruct their comment. That's the second one. And the third one, give, contribute. Think of ways, right? Think of ways to give back. Because as Martin Luther King once observed, just take the first step. Don't worry about the rest. Just take the first step. If you don't know yet or what your life purpose is, don't worry. Okay? Just ask yourself this question: what can I give? How can I be of service? How can I serve the most people, like more, because the more that you give, the more that you contribute. The beauty is that eventually you'll discover what you're really good at by you actually implement through giving. If you like writing, for example, or speaking, or playing it in music, if you're into music, think of ways on how to entertain people. If you are into writing, think of ways on how to create a blog to inspire people. But just start with something, just give. That's how you find your life purpose. It's not sitting there and think about it and like one day you just find your life purpose. You start to move things. So there you have it. So first, read. Second, listen to people that appreciate about you, the things that you do. And last but not least, this is the most important thing, right? Just take the first step. That's go and contribute. Go and give. Give your knowledge. Give whatever that you have already knew, and then see how you see from there life just beautifully guides you through to your life purpose.